This next one has been requested a lot, and it involves Carly Holmes, where she takes a flip into bushes next to a creek. Here's the clip. Carly would be stuck in the car for a little bit, and once people came to flip her over, she felt instant pain in her right shoulder and upper back area. X-rays confirmed that she had 2 fractured vertebrae and bruised lungs. Also, they would have to cut the halo tubes and take her seat pads out just so they can pull her out. Sadly, this would bring her 2022 season to an end, but she wouldn't let this get her down. Throughout her whole recovery, she would have a positive attitude about it. And earlier this year, she would continue her outlaw karting career, and resuming her sprint car career 3 months ago.